Before I get bored and leave. There's nothing boring about being able to videotape this bridge with no chance of a flying out. You get a teeny video camera disguised as a fish.
Yeah, it does have 30 days.
¿Qué fue?
It does have 30 days.
I never take it. I really don't think you're going to fool anyone with that thing. Oh, you don't? Where's Spencer?
We're gonna live the 15 days. You send us the rest of the money. It's only gonna be $3.30 at that point, you know?
And maybe like $20 for water.
Yeah, but that's been off, right? Here, babe.